Hi everybody, Jeff.Wilson here with Guaranty RV Supercenters. I'd like to present to you a 2018 Newmar Baystar Sport 2812. Let's take a look. So as we come inside, and I've got the slides in, actually I got the slides in for a reason, because on the 2812 is a little different model for us. Come on in with me. The slide out on the passenger side of the coach here is going to move with a 5-second delay. So this is something I found out recently in a struggle to get the slides out. So we get the power switch going on here, and then I'm able to go door side slide and out. And so it takes a little while to respond on the door side slide, and then it's going to push out just normal. And that opens up nice all the way past the bed back there. And then after checking that I've got enough room here to the driver's seat, I'm going to run this slide. Get that one pushed out nice. And this interior color with the chocolate browns is the Mustang. I like the colors with the Mustang. It's warm and rich and inviting. And look at there, we get that slide out, open up the TV. And lots of interior space to the 2812. In place of the booth style dinette that we're seeing here, they can option in a sofa that has a full length table connected to the base of the sofa. So here with the booth style dinette, and let me get this box out of the way, but it's built up with the magic table. So the magic table is going to stay attached to the wall if you look under here, and if as you're getting in and out, you're not dealing with poles connecting the table to the floor. So good for your leg room under there. Coming back, we have solid surface countertops throughout the coach, and nice big cabinetry for your kitchen storage. A little box here, maybe for spices, and then some more under sink storage. Now this woodwork color is going to come in 3 different colors. This one is the Sienna Glazed Maple. They also offer an Astoria and a Calypso. Full length extension drawers. So real nice in the kitchen area to have extra storage. And then to the bottom. And another great big one under the LP gas cook oven. So as we're seeing some coaches come out without the LP gas cook oven, it's nice to have that in there. And then overhead, a large capacity microwave. So we're seeing some that are a little smaller. This is a nice big one. Refrigerator, plenty of room. Got to bring all the goodies. And then let me push one more slide here. In the bedroom, it offers a 3rd slide out for the queen bed, and that gives you more interior space for the walk around the bed. Nice plush pillow top mattress, and then we get that out and we'll find lots of interior space here. And a little more for illustration purposes, that's fine. So we've optioned this one in with the TV in the bedroom. And then great hanging wardrobe. This one has the shelves. You can take the shelves out and use the hangers. And built-in lowboy drawers. So you've got drawers on the top bank. And then more drawers on the bottom bank. So plenty of room for all the goodies. And notice that you have carpeting in the bedroom. And then vinyl back up in the kitchen area. So then the last option we added to this coach was the rear window. That's optional. You don't have to have a window in the bedroom, but it's nice to have. In the bathroom here, take a peek, and good space in there with the shower, access to the sink, and then the vanity and more storage with the cabinetry. Everything in this coach for the furnace and your heat is side ducted and not ducts in the floor. So if the kids or grandkids are out with you, you don't have to worry about them maybe scraping a knee or something with the ducts on the floor. Up front, in the cab area, notice that you have the hydraulic leveling jacks with the automatic feature, and then interior gen start up here on the dash. It's got cruise control and tilt steering. And in the 2812, they've taken the backup camera and kind of flipped it on a little bit of an angle so it's more viewable for the driver. But great panoramic view and a little bit more up front storage. So it's all about storage, storage, storage. It's got a power shade motor, so you can run that front shade up and down with a push button. And let's take a look on the outside. So before we go out, push button power awning. So you want to run the awning out, you're just like that. And then this coach is going to be a full body paint, so really nice, and it's going to hold its luster and stay beautiful for a long, long time. And then great storage underneath, and the side boxes running all the way back. And to the back, well, before we go back, another thing I didn't point out inside the coach, the Baystar Sport doesn't normally come with the side view cameras. We optioned those into this coach. So side view cameras, you can use a turn signal and engage the side view cameras, or you can override those manually at the monitor. So back here, flush mount windows, and those are with a dark tint, so nice privacy. Nobody's going to be really seeing in during the daytime. Same thing in the rear. It's all hitched up, ready to go, with a ladder at the back. So we do want you to get up on top of the coach once a year, maybe twice a year, and do your maintenance, make sure everything's looking good up there. More storage on the driver's side of the coach. Access these tank gauges, a little more precise, a little truer reading for throughout the life of the coach to know where your tank levels are. They came with the slide out topper awnings at each slide out. So if you have debris on the top and you're running those slides in, the debris, the goodies are just going to fall right off. And it's also going to protect a little bit against the water. So again, 2018, this is a Baystar Sport 2812. Fantastic coach, super looks. If you're interested in this coach or any others we might have in stock, please give me a call. Again, I'm Jeff Wilson. Call me at the number below.